Hello community, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn directives in Angular, why we should use the directives and what is the directives and what are the types of directives. Okay, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. So first we see why we should use the directive. There are many reasons of using the directives in the Angular. One is the code reusability, separation of concern, enhanced reusability, and we can add the dynamic DOM as well, and integrated integration with the third party also. For that we are using the directives. Okay, in Angular, directives are the powerful features that allows you to create and extend the behavior of HTML element. There are three main types of directive. One is the component directives, second one is the structure directives, and third one is the attribute directives. Okay, so here we are going to see first the component directives. Okay, so component are the most common types directives in the Angular. They are used to create a custom reusable HTML with the associate behavior and the style. Okay, components have their own style, templates and the logic. So you can create the component by using the ngGC and command component name. Okay, so here I am opening path to creating a component. Okay, so let's create the component ngGC my component my component. Okay, you can see our component is created over here. How we can use this component? You can see the text my component is works, and in that you can see the metadata of the component, which is the selector, template URL and the style URL. How you can use this component in another component? You can use this component by using the selector. You have to paste that selector over here as a h tag. Okay, so I am using that selector over here and giving control S, and you can see in the browser it is working. My component is work. It is called the component directive. Okay, so now we see the structural directives. Okay, structure directives alter the layout of the DOM by adding and removing and manipulating elements. Okay, they used to star syntax in the element. Common structure directives include a star ngIf, star ngFor, star ngSwitch. Okay, so star ngIf, star ngFor and star ngSwitch that we are using up to version 16. In version 17 the structure is changed. In future we are also see how we can use star ngIf, star ng for ngSwitch in the version 17, and also see how we can upgrade the Angular version lower version to higher version. Okay, so let's see the structure directive example. Let's create the div tag over here, div. Okay, here we are giving name as a welcome username. Okay, let's create that username variable in ts file. Username we can give as a Weblearns. Okay, so how you can use ngIf? By using star ngIf is so username is true, then and only you can see the that welcome username is rendered, otherwise it's not rendered. Let's see in the browser, it's rendering over here, right? If I'm making it is false and it will not render, see it is not rendering here. Same way you have to use star ngFor and ngFor and ngSwitch. For ngFor, that make sure you have an array like this, like I have an array like this, and I have to like make one variable over here, let data of this variable name. And if you need index of the array, then you can find index as a I. Okay, so that way you can use. Okay, it is not rendering anything in here because we haven't provided any data. If we provide a data like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and that data we like, how we can show that data, you have to use this variable over here in the interpolation, and you can see welcome 1 2 3 4, it's rendering over here. Okay, so that is the structure directives. And what is the attribute directives? Attribute directives change the appearance of the element and component or another directives. Okay, so they are applied to element as a attribute. So how we can change the appearance of the element? Let's take another div tag, div, let's div, okay, and put that div tag inside this. Okay, so if I want to change appearance of welcome data, how can I take? If I want to change appearance of this welcome data, then how can we change? By using the ng style. Okay, so here I am taking one another tag which is a p. Okay, so ng style we are giving like this. Okay, and inside that we have to give one bracket, and over there we can give a font size, any css you can give over here. So font size, let's say it's a 12 pixel, and color is the yellow. You can see you are getting over here why we haven't add here single quote. Okay, you have to add a single quote over here like this. Why? Because we added over here semicolon, over there we have to add the comma. Okay, so now you can see it is in the yellow color and size is the 12 pixel. Let's increase the size and make it to 50 80 pixels, or like let's say 100 pixel. So you can see it's increase the size. So this is the way you can use the attribute directive. Okay, so these are the three ways you can use the directives. And if you have any doubts or question, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.